Hey guys, welcome to another feature spotlight video at Forest River. I'm Ira Mullet. With me today is James Whitty from Winegard. Today we will be showing you how to install the Winegard 360 Plus in 4G.
So, as Ira pointed out, this unit here has the Air 360 Plus already equipped on the roof. What that is basically is an over-the-air antenna along with Wi-Fi and 4G prep. So the first thing you need to do when you want to actually install a gateway product that normally people are buying aftermarket, the first thing you have to do is locate the actual bubble. In this unit here, the bubble happens to be in the bedroom area. So as you see right here, it's attached to the ceiling. This bubble is where the prep is located before you do an install. In order to remove the bubble, you're going to need a square bit. It's really easy to do. You just loosen up both, take the bubble off right there. Easy peasy, straight from the ceiling, comes off. So now that you've unscrewed the bubble, you're going to notice that it's going to have your 12-volt wires coming out, which are going to need to be bell capped together to the actual gateway unit. And it's going to have these 3 leads. Now these 3 leads are unique. Just know that this red lead right here needs to be by itself when you actually hook it up to the gateway, which you're about to see that in just a second. This is your Wi-Fi, this is the lead that attaches to your Wi-Fi extender antenna on the roof. These 2 leads attach to the 4G antennas. There's 2 4G antennas on the roof as well. When you take the bubble off, you're gonna have this nice slack here on this unit, and you're going to first make sure you cut off the 12-volt power just for safety reasons, and you're going to want to attach the 12-volt to this wire right here. We're going to need to bell cap that. But before we attach the gateway to the ceiling using our ceiling plate and our lead, and we'll get into that in a second, I wanted to point out that the gateway comes equipped with Winegard data. You can find the data and purchase the data on our app, Winegard Connect. That's also where you'll end up ultimately setting up your devices onto the gateway. Think of it like a router that you may have at your house. It's going to operate the same way. You can use the Wi-Fi or you can switch over to data on your phone. Same type of concept. But one thing to look, one of the great benefits of a Winegard gateway system is it has the SIM card in here. This SIM card's active and it comes with data out of the box, Winegard data, and you can purchase on the app like I mentioned, but you can also go to your AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile store, which we're certified with all, tell them you got a gateway, and they'll tell you to swap out this SIM. Take the SIM out and put your own in. You can then use your new AT&T, Verizon, or T-Mobile SIM card and piggyback your own data plan. Save yourself some money and have unlimited data. Treat it just like it's a hotspot device or an iPad or something that we're used to in that fashion. So after getting into all that, let's go ahead and let's install this baby on the ceiling. First thing you're going to need to do is, here you go, Ira. The first thing you need to do is you're going to have to attach the ceiling plate, like you see Ira doing right now. You take the leads, all the leads, and feed them through our guide hole. You put the base plate up onto the ceiling, and then Ira will go ahead and screw it into place. So he's going to go ahead and connect those wires together to the 12-volt on the gateways. So he's putting color to color on the connections. So you see there it's white and red. Puts the bell cap on. It's going to be white to black there. So he's going to connect the 2 together. He's going to add a bell cap to that as well. Now we've got our 12-volt all hooked up and ready to go. We now need to connect the Wi-Fi and 4G leads. So the one thing to remember on this is red needs to be by itself. So when he connects in that is the Wi-Fi extender lead, he's going to connect that in by itself. We have one Wi-Fi extender antenna that connects directly to the antenna on the roof in the Air 360 Plus. Then he's going to want to connect the 2 4G leads. They're the green and the yellow leads. It doesn't matter which lead connects to which spot on that. Just make sure that the 2 are grouped together right here, just like he did. After we do this, now it's time to push the wires back up into the hole, just to give us some manageable space, and then attach the gateway into the base plate. So he's going to put the wires in there. The gateway just snaps right into place. You'll see the little holes there on the side. Tuck in there, and he's going to snap it right into place. Now we got the gateway attached. At this point, you've got everything hooked up. You've got the 12-volt hooked up. You've got all of the leads for the antennas hooked up, and it should be ready to go. Go to your Winegard Connect app at this point, and go ahead and go to the setup wizard, and it'll run you right through the process and let you set up the Wi-Fi and the 4G. And that's all it is.
Thanks guys for watching. This wraps up another how-to video. If you need any more information regarding the Winegard 360 gateway, James, where can they find more information on that?
You guys can go to winegard.com. They've got all the information you would need there. Installation's also on the owner's manual, and of course, call our customer service if you have any questions. It's right there on the website.